This is an unboxing, installation, and a speed test of NETGEAR Orbi quad-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system, which supports 10.8 gigabits per second speed. It has a router and 2 satellites, and it's the black edition that you can only get when you buy it online on the netgear.com website. So this is directly purchased from the NETGEAR. It's black edition, the most premium, fastest router on the planet. Generally supports a lot of speed, and I generally don't buy routers based on my square foot of the house. I calculate based on the entire property yard area, because when you want to walk in your yard, you want your Wi-Fi signal to reach there, not just the square foot of your house inside. So my yard is about 9,000 square foot, and even though my house is only 3,000 square foot, so I'm assuming this will work in the yard. All right, let's just open it. Seems it's not from this side. All right, okay, it's from this side. Let me discover it. Okay, slowly. Ooh, it feels so premium, more expensive than an iPhone. It's over $1,500. So this is RB. All right, you got to open this sticker. Looks like, oh, it feels so premium. This side, it feels nice. Maybe one on the other side. Yeah, okay, let me open this one too. It seems good. Okay, let me open up the box. Oh, hold on. Let me set the camera. Okay. Okay, this is RB. Right. Oh, it's nothing. Oh, the box, the lid looks okay. It's RB. You have a contact us information in case of any questions. You have some instructions about installing the app and using that. It's okay. And then you have oh, it's not open. This must be, oops, this must be the router. So there must be one router and 2 satellites. So this is, or looks pretty premium. Oh, good ports. Yeah, definitely this is the main router that you have to connect to the modem. So you need to have a modem with an internet connection at home before you use this, so that you can extend the internet to the entire house with a good signal. This must be the satellite. The second one seems like the pretty same size, same height, yeah, same dimensions. The second satellite, okay, kind of good boxing around that. So yes, so a couple of satellites and then a router. Pretty good. Let me set this again. Okay, for good view. Oh, this is nothing, so it's just empty box. Let me put it aside. That's another one on the side, and this is the main box. All right, nothing else inside. Seems pretty straightforward. But it's a good box though. I'm gonna keep it for a while. I'm not gonna throw that. So this is 2 satellites and 1 router, and let's see what is inside this magic box. Okay, so this is the router, and these 2 are, and probably this has some cables inside. Let me see this. Oh, it's pretty shallow. Okay, let me open it. That's it. All right, we just have 3 cables and 1 Ethernet cable. That's it. So you just have a power card. This is the US power card. You just put to 120 volts, the same one for the other 2 satellites. I guess it's the same power card for all the 3. That's nice, so you don't have to be confused for which one it is. So it's all 3 are the same. And anything else inside? That's it. So it's, oh my god, it's pretty simple. You just plug and play. Okay, nothing much. So let's see if we can open this, and what ports does this have. Basically, it's, oh, it looks so premium, and it's heavy. It's pretty heavy. It feels nice in the hand. And then this is the satellite. Let me open up this one too. Okay, that's a nice one. It feels good in the hand too. Yes, it feels so luxury. I like this black edition for a reason, that if you kind of get any dust on it, eventually the white one will look bad over a few months, but black, it's very luxury. It feels nice, so nice to me. I like it. All right, this is the second satellite. All the 3 put together, it feels so good, right? I'm assuming this will have a great speed later on. Okay, this is all it together. 3 power cards and 3 devices and 1 Ethernet cable. That's it. Let's open up this. Oh, it's very simple. I This one must support the most fastest. So I have about 2 gigabits per second internet speed at my home. And I guess you just have to put this Ethernet cable. So let me see what ports it has. So it has a 10 gigabit port, Ethernet internet port. So it's cool. So you still this one works for the future. You have lots of ports here. So let me put on the 10 gigabit port, and the other side I'm going to connect it to the modem. This is the power cable. Just plug and play probably, and that's it. So I've connected all the three guys now. Just open up your app, make sure it's connected locally, and scroll down, go to the internet speeds, and let's just do a quick speed test on the Wi-Fi without any connection. Oh my God. I have only, by the way, I only put only 1 gigabit per second port for the moment on the Wi-Fi router to test how much does it come. Clearly, it looks like it comes over 900 Mbps even for a 1 gigabit per second port that I've used. I'm going to change it later on to 2 gigabit per second, but at least for 1 gigabit, this speed looks the best I've ever seen till now. This speed is amazing.